Hi guys, greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. So today is just something different entirely than what I'll be doing before. So I just decided to be showing everything. Since this channel is all about skin product review and everything, it's better for me to be doing it here. And where other channel, I will just be doing my Aproko there. You guys understand. So in case you don't know about my other channel, it's Itoanlebe TV. You can go in there, subscribe and support me as well. So today I just want to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And first of all guys, I want to show you guys what I use on my hair, my skin, what I use to bake myself, my body cream, everything, and how I show you guys my body cream, the recent one I'm using recently. And sorry about the noise, I just opened the window because I want to use hot water guys. It's cold here in Germany, so I just opened the window so that this place won't be too evaporated, you understand? So I will show you guys what I use on my hair, my skin, and I show you guys the product I'm using recently. So this product, I will be showing you guys how I apply it one after the other. Okay, I will be showing you guys. But before then, you guys know I use this to wash my hair. It's sulfate-free creamy shampoo with shea butter and argan oil. So this is what I use. First of all, I just put it on my hair like this. Although I've applied a little on my hair, that's what I use also. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is extreme anti-scalp, so anti-breakage leave treatment for distressed hair. So this is it. So I decided to use this product because, you know, I tinted my hair gold and it was kind of breaking, so I decided to go for this. So this is what we said. So this is our product at work. So I took this, and this is the conditioner. It's also good, fortifying conditioner with lipan protein for distressed hair as well. So these two goes together, as you can see. So this is my hair product I used recently. This is what I use on my hair. Okay, I use it for my hair. And now guys, let me start my shower routine.
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you that.
So before you apply your condition, you have to dry the hair, and then just a little bit, not too much. Okay, so this is what I will be using. This is the conditioner, and after then I will be applying this, and I'm not going to wash this off. Okay, so I will be applying this directly on my hair. It's raining, so in case you want to know the product I'm using, this is SkinCare. So you can actually, if you want it, we do sell it at work. You can just let me know, or if you want to order it yourself, you can just go to SkinCare website and order it for yourself. The product is actually nice. So now I'm done with my hair. I will leave it for some till I finish taking my bath. So now guys, let's go straight to the main shower routine. Okay, face wash. This is my face wash. I've shown you guys before. This is the name, Biore Free Your Pores Baking Powder Face Wash. It's actually good. It's actually good guys.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay that, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby.
Okay, my darlings, I'm done with my body wash. So I'm using this Let's Go body scrub mango, so with sugar. So this is it. So just gonna take my time and use this scrub. Okay, so my body scrub is the last thing I apply on my skin before creaming myself. Okay, so this time I don't want to use scrubbing hand glove. I just want to use my hand.